guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we are playing Escape McDonald's obby, I believe. Let me check. So, it's called Escape McDonald's, but it's actually an obby too, but let's realize it, so let's get started. I'm gonna get some McDonald's after I get McDonald's. Whew. Alright, well, I'll sit down and eat my food. What? No, this is not a table. Okay, whatever, I'll just eat my food. After eating my food, okay, I'm gonna go grab my car. Excuse me? Where's my car? Wait, I thought this was a parking lot. What? Where did it all go? What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to like go all the way down there to go to my house instead of using my car? Fine, I'll do it. So guys, I am technically pretending like I am like it was a parking spot, but it actually wasn't. But let's continue on with the video. Why did this happen? Okay, well, there's like, oh my gosh, like, what? There's a lot of people over there. Did they have to do this too? Oh, well, I guess we still have to escape. Well, escape McDonald's, alright. I am not coming back to that McDonald's. Oh, so we have to escape McDonald's because the parking lot is gone, and I have to escape McDonald's because they did this to us. Thought I liked McDonald's. Not touching anything. I gotta go this. Be careful. Why? Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm almost done. Just don't die here. Whew. That was a close one. Okay, now we have to jump on McDonald's food that was eaten already. I don't know. That's job. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. Does it have the electric? Okay, I think it does. So, nope, it does not. I don't think so, because you just die, you don't fall through it. Alright, so we just have to pick one and hope for the best. Oh, wait, does it not kill you? Oh, it does kill you. Alright, whenever you do that. Okay. So, wait, that was the wrong one, right? Alright. And then this one, and then we gotta figure out this one. Oh my gosh! Okay, so it's this one, then this one, then this one. Oh. Okay, we gotta do this again. So it's this one, and then it's this one. It's not that one. It has to be this one. Alright, so now we know which one it is. Okay, so we know it's this one. What? Wait, no, it was actually the left one. I'm sorry, guys. I kind of did that wrong. Okay, so this one, it's the left one. Okay, now which one is this? Yeah, I made it. Okay, so we have to climb on these big balls. Okay, then. Are these like the toys from McDonald's? I'm supposed to go right there. Let's try not to fall. I did not fall. Okay. Okay. Guys, comment down below what is your favorite obby. Whoa. Okay, so now we have to go on the McDonald's logo signs. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't believe I have to escape McDonald's now because the parking lot is gone. McDonald's, how could you do this to me? I have to escape it because they're evil now. That McDonald's is evil. You saw that? That McDonald's is evil. See, they took away our parking spot, so I have to escape so that they don't take away me and so I can get home. Okay? So, yeah. Also, comment down below your favorite YouTuber. I don't know why I want to know that. So I have to go in the clown. Oh, alright. Okay, so I'll see you guys whenever I get in the clown. Okay, so guys, I don't know if I got in the clown. I kind of got, I think I might have. But, yeah. Okay, what is this? Okay. What the heck? This is actually pretty easy. To ride home. Oh. Guys, do you see that right there? They're knives. Oh my gosh. Okay, so not the knives part. Nope. Wouldn't die from knives? Don't you know? Okay, we just gotta try not to die. And that'll be good if we don't die. Whoa, I was at the last one. Are you serious? Serious? Are you serious? Okay, Okay, so I'm at the same spot again. Let's try not to die. Okay, good, we didn't die. Alright, so now we have to jump on those giant cheeseburgers. Guys, look. Look at me compared to that cheeseburger. That cheeseburger is so big. These cheeseburgers are so big. Oh my gosh. Cheeseburger. Ah! Okay, so I'm done with those cheeseburgers. Oh! Okay, I escaped McDonald's! And I guess this is my home. Well, I don't know if this is really my home, but yeah. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me escaping that evil McDonald's. You can still see it from here. Oh, you can still see the knives. Whatever. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe and answer all this stuff in the comments. And see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys! Oh, yeah. Also, comment your Roblox username. You have a chance of me friending you if you ever want me to friend you. I don't know. I just need to know your user and all. So, yeah. God bless you and bye, guys!